Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Louisburg, local and long distance movers near me. Are you moving over a distance of more than 50 miles? If you are, it is a long distance move. A long distance move can be interstate or interstate, and interstate moves occur when moving across state lines. Your long distance move is intrastate when movement is limited to a state. 3 Movers also works with the local and federal authorities in charge of the relocation process. Our movers are experts and they handle your items with care. We also have insurance plans in place to secure your belongings. We move all your belongings to your new location at the agreed time. 3 Movers is also the best option for your local move. We are easy to access in Louisburg, and we also are adequately staffed and equipped to attend to different clients at the same time. We also get you immediately when you contact us. Our customer service agents are friendly and knowledgeable, and they provide you with all the details you need. Follow your specific instructions and help to draft a cost estimate. We know all the routes in the city, and we achieve a fast and efficient move. All of our moving rates are very affordable. Depending on the specific distance your new relocation is, we charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Louisburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.